Hello guys, this is the latest design of my mob sorter that I've been working on for the latest 6 or so weeks, and I minimize it even more. Now it takes only 6 block wide and 12 long if you won't take into account the walls, and it can sort at 100% rate. Also it's fully automatic, and it's not so complicated as it seems to be. I will show you why and explain how it works. Let's start. I will build it right next to this one, so in the case I mess something up, or you also can see what I'm doing on every point, so you can take a glance at it and get what I'm doing right now. This block is where the piston will stay, the piston that holds water. Put it like that, facing up, and this block we have here, mobs will land on it, and let's extend it 5 block away more. This is the fire range. It's a place where the snowballs will fly from the snow golems to the zombie, and the zombie will go inside here and stay on this pressure plate. And I will make a floor for the fire range like that and place the pressure pads so water won't come out of this mob tube. Now I need to change it to the piston like that and make a chambers for our snow golems. We will use 3 snow golems. They will be staying in these holes, right like that. And I will place the floor for them, destroy the unnecessary blocks. Next, I will build the output of the tube like that, 2 half slabs in here, and I will destroy this and place another 2 half slabs like that. Also I need to change this block, destroy it, and put the piston like that right below it, so the piston will push it up and block the way for other mobs, so they can't pass through it before the zombie punchback will be loaded in and snow golem start shooting. Next I will close it up and make a mob tube. Then here, here, and I have the water on the side, but I can even minimize it more so it won't be like that. I will put it right above the piston, so it will be held by the sign. Okay, and when the piston will retract, it will let the water flow. But right now I will do it like that. And this tube is an input where our mobs will fall. Here I need 2 blocks height so the zombie can enter here. Close it and close the chamber, so if the snow golems will shoot the zombie, it won't fall here. Then I make a pad for the villager. It will stay in here like that, and close it up too. Then just make a roof so the mobs won't jump when they will be heated by the snowball, and put another half slabs like that. Close it So the basic shape is done. I will just put the Snow Golems, and we can see how it works when you load the zombie. Like that. You can add more Snow Golems if you are using a very high volume of mobs, and it may be used for the mob grinders that are wave type, like Monkey Farms design. That's because if you have very big amount of mobs in here, not every one of them may be hurt by the snowball, and the skeletons might stay in one place and don't go in their hole. But I will use a simple mob grinder, so it will be enough to use 3 Snow Golems. Next, I put the zombie mechanism that will start up everything. I will put a block in here. It is temporary block. We need it for the door, because if you put the door like that, it will open in that direction and zombie can break it. But there's a trick, and you can do it like that. Just destroy this, and the door will open in the direction we need. Then push a pressure plate so zombie won't break the door. When it steps here, it will open for him and he can enter here. And also, why I use the door here? That's because when mob fall in here, they can see those 3 blocks as the place where they can stand, and they might enter that. And if the entered mob will be the skeleton, it can shoot at the Snow Golems. But the door is the only block that zombie can pass through, and other mobs, creepers or skeletons can't. So I use this. Then I need to put 1 block here, so if the zombie stay on the pressure plate, it will be hit by the piston and be trapped in here and can't jump up and down. So the Snow Golems will shoot at him constantly. And just close it like that. Then I put the villager inside, and it will serve us as a bait for zombies. Next, I will do the wiring. Wiring is not so difficult. Here is the pressure plate, and let's extend this thing like that and put the redstone here to this piston. Also, you need to put 2 blocks here and make a redstone ring in here, and put the redstone torch like that, so it will block the path until the zombie will enter there. I will place the pressure plate I broke, and when the zombie will stay on this pressure plate, the piston will push it here. Also, we need to connect these 2 pistons, and another piston will be right here. It will keep the this hole closed, so zombies won't try to enter here when the one zombie will be already out there. We will make it like that. And I need to change this, because this block will move, and put it here like that. So just connect it. We need repeater, and it will be like that. It will pass the signal from this block here to the redstone torch. The redstone torch will power another redstone torch, and it will power this block, which will extend the piston when we need. And also I will put another wire for this piston. so it will be retract if I break the sign. Extend, sorry, like that. It will hold the water on one place. And the basic wiring is done. Let's drop the zombie and check it out. So we just saw how it initialized. The zombie entered the door, the block is closed, so no zombie can enter there anymore. There is only one block high space. The water is flowing, all mobs will be pushed out there. This piston retract and let the tunnel proceed to this part, and the mobs can now go through this place. I will add another sign here, like that, and put another water here. And block it off so it won't flow where we don't need it to flow. Now the water connected, and if you put another mob in here, it will swim to the exit. Okay. Now I will build the landing pad. This place is where the cat will stand. And in here the zombies will jump. This is a block where the mobs will go out and land on. And I will make a snow block so you will see that they go there. I will make this ramp in here, close it like that, then this, and this. Okay. And now I will place a wall right here, so zombies won't be seen as the path they can get to the villager. They can see this path and somehow to get up to this villager, so they will run in this direction instead of this if I put it like that. Okay, now I put the block in here, and creepers will run at here because I have a platform for them, and they will see it as their ground where they can escape from the cat. You don't need to make it very big, but it must take some area, like that. Then I put a trapdoors, so mobs will see it as blocks and jump in. Close it like that. And now we have 3 spots for the different kind of mobs. The creepers will fall in here, zombies in here, and skeletons right there. Let's try how it works on skeletons. Put one zombie to initialize everything. Okay, the Snow Golems are shooting. One zombie is there. Oh, it's a guest. Sorry. One, two, three, 4. The 5th one. Come on. Okay, that's good. Now zombies. They all must go at this block. it is very important to put the villager like that, because if I put it one block higher, they won't see it and won't aggro at it, and they will just stay in here and wandering around. So it's almost done. I just need to tame the cat. Okay, I tamed the cat, and now we'll test how it works on creepers. Sorry, lad. And here they are going like we need. So it's done. Now I will explain a bit. One guy on the latest video was asking why his skeletons going in the wrong direction. That is very important to make this path out here, so skeletons can find the closest place for the snow golems, and that's why they are going in this hole and not at any other direction. They may go another ways if you put this mob sorter right above the ground. They will find another place where they can stay near this snow golem, for example, on the land out here. So they will try to jump off the mob sorter and go to this block. That won't happen to you if you build your mob sorter up in the air like I do, or deep on the ground, because you're limited with the walls on the ground, and they won't find any place where they can stand near the snow golems except of this one. And if you build it up in the air, there are also air everywhere, and where they can stand anywhere except this block. And for creepers it's very important to have that path, because they need to find a block to run on, and if you make this path smaller, it will take a longer time for them to stay in here, so they will find one of these blocks as the escape block and they will run on it. Also, as I told already, you need to put the villager like that, so the zombie will aggro at it. I can show you that they won't react if I put the villager one block higher. I will kill it and put another one. Like that. And you can see now that zombie won't try to get to it. But once I break this block, they will get there. So I think that's it. Note that you must keep the walls over the mob grinder if you build it in your big structure, so skeletons and zombies won't find another path to get to their targets, and creepers won't see any other blocks in here and will run on this platform. I hope that will help you to build your own mob sorter.